the petition for dissolution of marriage?
Yeah.
hmm And then what was petitioned?
Yes.
I'm somewhat interested to know if there was any change of the actual petitioning of the dissolution of marriage.
Yes.
See, there were some child support worksheets that were included that were served on me at the time of the arrest.
Yeah.
But then there was some more of them right here. Oh. Now, there was this idea that somebody decided to change some of the figures
Yes.
that were used for the calculation. And when it says only what was petitioned for,
Yes.
and then you denied the default dissolution of marriage,
Yes.
but you didn't require all the necessary forms to motion the court.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I would say that since neither one of us had an attorney,
Yes.
you can't motion the court for default dissolution of marriage. Now, you could say, well, the respondent's in default
Yes.
if you'd waited a certain amount of time, but since I responded within the 90 days,
Yes.
there was no possibility that it couldn't be a contempt of court for her motioning the court for default dissolution of marriage. Now, if you would
Yes.
find out,
Mm-hmm.
were there any missing forms when motioning for the default dissolution of marriage? The jurisdictional form?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I know it doesn't sound very important to you, but it's important to me because every time you don't have the necessary court documents, I'm going to sue you right now. Now, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I would like you to remove your fraud. And when I went online,
Mm-hmm.
I could see that you're still enforcing the fraudulent protection order and the dissolution of marriage. Yes. Now, a seminar for battered spouses. Oh, let's see here. Provide alternative voluntary parenting. Court waive seminar requirements to parents in case of good shown failure to comply.
Yeah.
Petition refusal to delay will prevent the case. Now, this is let's see, just a second here.
Mm-hmm.
Domestic relations notice the Superior Court of Juvenile proceeding. That doesn't necessarily. Maybe I went too far. Oh, GR 70 affidavit certification.
Mm-hmm.
Domestic relations final hearing on contested matters.
Yes.
In all final hearings of or trials in domestic relations matter,
Yes.
each party filing a written pretrial affidavit,
Mm-hmm.
personal property shall file and serve the same by 1:30 p.m. of the judicial day prior to the trial. Pretrial affidavit shall be substantially in the form set forth in Exhibit C.
Yes.
Now, you had one of these pre-trials.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Let's see here. Domestic relations, pre-trial. Parenting plan, order for support, trial clerk setting, petitioner's trial brief.
Yes.
Maybe that was it.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't remember getting one of those.
No.
No. I don't remember anybody serving me anything.
Yes.
Now, family court hearings and motions. Oh, this was somewhat interesting to me.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Uh, Time for hearings, unless adjusted by the court, hearings will be scheduled as follows.
Yes.
Now, of course, you were making adjustments. I noticed that all the Superior Court hearings in Odyssey,
Yeah.
they all said 8 a.m. But this, when looking at the actual times of the hearing,
Yeah.
RCW 26 is 9 a.m. unless otherwise specifically below.
Mm-hmm.
RCW 26.30 is 8:45 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
RCW 7.9 is at 1:15 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
Child support contempt and review hearings brought by the state will be held on Friday at 2:30 p.m.
Yeah.
In cases where separate actions for custody determination restraining orders sought,
Mm-hmm.
held on Friday at 9 a.m.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But 12 p.m., 12 p.m. Yeah, I don't see in the court rules or 8 a.m. is anywhere in the court rules. Now, there's a concern.
Yes.
Because when I put the hearing times of the Superior Court hearings
Yes.
in the Odyssey,
Yeah.
all of them say 8 a.m. too. Now, you would think that it'd be a violation of some law, rule, or regulation
Yeah.
to have the hearing time be 8 a.m. when none of the actual court rules
Yes.
allow for a hearing time to be 8 a.m. Now, I know you put 8 a.m., but there's this idea that you're going to inform people to arrive at the court 1 hour before the actual hearing time, as if we were making reservations for a flight.
Yeah.
That we're going to go through some sort of homeland security. Could you get me all the 8 a.m.s of the Odyssey on the Washington State Court website?
Yes, he does.
Because when the court rules say the day and the time,
Yes.
every court hearing should have the day and the time of the court rules.
That's right.
Now, I know I'm not the judge.
Yes.
You're saying to yourself, Paul, don't tell us how to run our court.
But I will tell you